Good morning, everybody, from the pond. I had to stop and record this. This is a genuine flock of seagulls. Bigger than a platoon. This is a full army of seagulls. They are bathing in the morning sunlight. This is the pond. Dare I say, legion of seagulls? There's a couple that have taken flight, but for the most part, they're all content to stay right where they are. All multiple squadrons of seagulls awaiting further orders from Mother Nature when to depart.